Hey guys, so I'm here at Lowe's. I haven't been to this Lowe's in a very long time because it's out of my way. But I was nearby, so I decided to come on in and check it out. Those look really rough. But look at these. Those are pretty cool. These are $7.46. Look at that Echeverria Chroma. Look at that little lizard. So tiny. This looks like a Sorrento, but it's not. There's the name for that one. I've never seen that one before, but it looks a lot like the Sorrento. This is a mint truffles, Cotyledons. I don't know how to say that. And then we got some of those pots that you drop into another pot. Let's check the other side. Some dog tail cactus. Let's see. Some rough looking dog tail cactus. That looks really pretty. This arrangement, $37. It looks happy though, that one. This is the trailing one. This one trails. It looks like the elephant books, but that one trails. This is Echeverria Afterglow. You know what? This looks like, oh, look at that. It's Echeverria Blue Toad. It looks a little bit like the one that's always struggling in my house, but it has darker edges. Some really good ones here, guys. Look at that. These are really cool looking. And they look pretty healthy. I have that. These are pretty. And some more here. Oh, look at this is a big one. Look how big that one is. Oh, look at these. And they're potted into ceramic pots. $9.98. They look a little rough. Look at this one. That's cute. A bunch of little arrangements. Let's see how much. $34. Well, they're not little. They're pretty big. Look at this ghost plant. It's very different. Similar, but different at the same time than mine. It just looks... Oh, this is Blue Giant. And this is ghost plant. See if this is Blue Giant as well. Yeah, that's Blue Giant. I've never bought it. I don't know if it's because I always think it's gonna die on me. I don't know. Look at these. These little different ones. These little hanging elephant books. Look at that one. Variegated. It's called Lemon and Lime Crassula. Oh, look at this one. Yeah, this one is different too. This is a little variegated as well. This one is called Lacaria Afra Variegated Manny. Look at this monster. This is like a monstrous or something. Let's see if it has a name. Serious Peruvianus monstrous. I don't know if I said that right. And over there. And here is another Echeverria chroma. This one looks so pretty. So pretty. Echeverria chroma. I don't know. This one I struggle with too. I mean, I've had it for a while, but I've had to cut it and let it grow roots again. I've done that several times already. Look at it. It's so pretty though, the colors. Such a pretty one. I don't know if I can get that, so yeah. Hey guys, now I'm at the Home Depot right across from Lowe's. So nothing too exciting. Oh, these are nice. I think these are Echeverria Starlight. Let's see if I'm right. Yay, I'm right. Okay, so see if we find anything unique. This is tipped over. I found a kitty. I was petting this cat. Oh, look at how nice and chubby this one is. Gosh, can't get you in there. Look at how nice and chubby this one is. Look at that. Oh, it's too dark. See? This is what it should look like. Not my... I don't know. I have one that was growing kind of on the thin side. I don't know. Look at these. These are cute. So I took more of these. I don't even know if you guys can see. The sun is blinding y'all. Look at that one. More of those. Oh. See, I don't think I have a small version of this. I don't. And it's so pretty. Look at how pretty it is. How much is this? Oh, this is $7.98. I'm gonna get one of these guys. Here comes Kitty. Hi. Oh, hi, buddy. Such a cute kitty. Oh, see, here goes mine. That's what I have, the purple one. And it's called here Petulum pendendum, something like that. Oh wow, look at these. These are Firestorm, but look at how nice and chunky they are in red. They're so pretty. They look so good. This is Gatopelum marquise. So it is different than this one. That's different. And then this one is Gatopelum pentendrum. I like this a lot. Look at these. Look, there's two kinds here, I believe. There's the purple kind and then the green kind. That's a good deal. You got a good mix there. Good luck plant, royal red. Well, someone mixed up something there, I believe, unless they haven't turned. Oh, you know what? No, it is the same plant. I guess they start turning, these will start turning red at some point. I don't know. Look at this. Look at how big that is. Look at this one. This one is called How Do We Live Forever? Never seen that one before. Look at that big thorn. Crown of thorns. It's really big. And like the stem is fat. These firestorms, man, they're so beautiful. Oh, look at this. These I don't see very often. The Galaxy. So I think definitely the one that I have is the Galaxy one. It looks a lot like this. Look, dragon fruit. Cool. And this is it's a very dusty rose, a cubic frost, neon breakers, bunch of little arrangements. This is another one. So I noticed some have long leaves and some have little short leaves. So yeah, just different types of euphorbias. They're pretty cool. I've been seeing them lately. They're like a little arrangement. So you get a few plants for $10. See, there's this one, then there's a silver, I can't remember what it's called, silver something, and then the sudsy cactus. And then this one you get this type of ruffles of Echeveria, and then the rainbow bush. And then this one you get elephant bush with a desert rose in it. That's crazy. So you get a couple. I like this cactus a lot. I have a little piece, but it does not look like this. So yeah, I actually like this one a lot. I like how it looks too. I just like the look of it, even though it's been like propagated a few times. See where they cut here and they cut there. But I just really like, gosh, these are so, guys, they've been getting a lot of water. See, I like the look of it, and it looks so healthy. I do like the look of that one. I wonder how this one would do inside. I want to put, I want to have some plants inside, but I'm really bad at watering. And then also, I'm always worried that the ones that I don't use water will stretch. So that's always my concern. I'll have to look into this one. If you guys have any cactus inside or succulent, or euphorbia inside your home where it just gets bright light and it's doing well, let me know. I want to know. And also, if you guys could take pictures and send it to me, I would appreciate that as well. So yeah, I ended up bringing home an Echeveria Debbie, Albriafolia, but it also says crocodile plant. I have this, but the darker version. I did not have this beautiful pale looking one. I am hoping and praying that it never dies on me. I really like it. If you guys have one of these indoors in bright light, let me know how well it does. For now, I guess I'll have it outside. I want to pot it, but not ready to do that right now. And then this one I mainly purchased it for this one. This one as well, I would like to have it indoors in a south facing door, but I don't know if I can keep it inside. Many of you guys told me it's stretched out, but I'm wondering, how much light did yours get? Did it need direct sunlight? I guess that will be the question. And that's it. I just watered these plants over here. They needed to be watered. They are looking so nice. I'm really happy with them. This beautiful cactus, I love blue cactuses, guys. This beautiful cactus that Maria from the Succulent Living sent me, I love it. It's beautiful. It's still happy, looks very happy and healthy. And also I like that's a drop of water. I like how this euphorbia is growing out right here. Very nice. It took some time. It took a while because I had trimmed these off because I was trying to graft some of these that I had in red, but they never took. I just didn't do it correctly. Also, they were kind of at an angle, so it was really hard. If you probably have an upright one, it would be probably better, but anyways, it was a failed. So yeah, that's it. Yeah, so I have these here. This is a new one, and yeah, I did show it to you a while back ago. Look at these guys. Look at how good they look. They need, I just watered them. They need a bigger pot. And then this one is this one as well. You guys remember when I did this for fall? It is so happy still, and the plants have grown so much. This one, this other, I think it's a gasteria. I'm not sure, a type of gasteria back there. And then Sedivaria. This Sedivaria, I believe, is a bird's nest. Already has, hold on guys, another like another plant. It grew another plant. I might pull it out. And then this one too. No leaves are dying. Really happy here. It gets morning sun, and then that's it, and shade. So it gets probably from 8 in the morning till like maybe 11, not sure. This one is getting lots of sun, and it wasn't getting water because it's on the overhang, so the water doesn't reach it. So I just watered it. I hope it perks up. But yeah, if I move her, she'll get a little bit darker, but she is dehydrated. I can feel that she's dehydrated, so I am going to probably move her somewhere where she gets a little bit more shade. Put it here for now, I guess. I'll just put her there for now and watch it. Hopefully I don't forget about it, because if I put her down there, she won't get any water. Well, all these plants here on this shelf, I have to physically water because they won't get rained on. And that's it, guys. Sorry for all the noise. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. You guys have a blessed day. Bye, guys.